Hello everybody, it's me Charlotte. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's having a fantastic day so far today. Today's video, we are opening packages for the birthday / 2-year anniversary on YouTube giveaway. This is the last day for opening packages, so if I didn't receive your package by today, then everything I receive after today will just go into a future giveaway. We only have 6 packages to open, so this should be a fairly short video. I want to take this time to thank each and every one of you for participating, sending something in. If you did, thank you so much. Someone is going to be very happy with this big box of yarn they are going to receive, so I'm happy to do that. Real quick, before we get started, I just want to take the time to also thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I think I just reached 77,000 subscribers. Pretty excited about that milestone. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for sharing them. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so now. Don't forget to click that bell icon when you do subscribe, because a lot of people aren't getting the notifications and a lot of people aren't seeing the videos and they want to. So if you are someone who wants to actually see the videos when I upload them, make sure you click that bell icon. You'll be notified. If you like this video at the end, please give it a thumbs up. That helps a lot, and leave a comment. That helps me too. Oh, one more thing. This is my new shirt that is now in the merch store. I just got mine today. I absolutely love it. Now, not everyone is going to understand it, but it's a picture of a sheep and it says hand wash only. Now, not everyone, like I said, is going to understand what that means, but you will understand it if you order it and you wear it. You will know what it means, and it could be a good conversation starter. Just saying. So if you want to check this shirt out, there'll be a link in the description below. And now I'm going to shut up and start opening packages. The first package we have today comes from Deborah Prickett. And I'm sorry, I hate to do this, but before I open this package, I do want to make one note. I want to say something. Last time we opened packages a few days ago, there was 2 skeins of yarn sent in one package. I believe it was from Amazon, and I thought it was just from Amanda Vlasic, but she informed me that that was also for her sister, Amber Vlasic. So I just wanted to reassure Amber and Amanda that I added both names. And today I even got one from Robin Gerard, where she said that she forgot to send in that it was from her granddaughter as well. So I'll be adding Robin and her granddaughter Autumn. Kendall, I believe, is her name. But I will reread the message and make sure that everyone is added that needs to be added. Okay, now that I've made that clear, we have this package here from Deborah Prickett, and she is in Arizona. Let's see what she sent in. Still sporting the doll scissors. I don't know why I try to use them, because, oh, there, it cut. That's nice. Okay, let's see what she sent in, and, okay, no note, so I do have her name right here, Deborah Prickett. And she sent in Red Heart Super Saver stripes in these beautiful, bright, very nice, bright neon-like colors. Very nice. Thank you, Deborah. I will be sure to add your name into the giveaway. I'm going to put your name right there so I can write it down. And we'll open up this one. Like I said, we only have 6 today, guys, so this should go pretty quickly. This is from Robin Gerard. Sorry, Robin. And this is where she said that she wanted to add her granddaughter as well, because there's supposedly 2 skeins of yarn in here. And she is from Michigan. So let's see. Oh, this has stuff in it. It's like an insulated bag. Okay. Let's see here. Oh, goodness. Why do they do that? Why do they make bags like that? That's crazy. Don't rip those bags open. Okay. Hope this finds you well. You and myself need to commit to finishing one of our works in progress. You're not lying. It is true. I have not yet finished one. I see something I like and make, and sometimes, and something else, etc. My puppy is giving my arm a bath, so my writing is wobbly. I understand that. My puppy I have scratch marks, and yeah, I understand that completely. I looked up your address and saw a part 2. I have been looking for updates and never saw any. Oh well, I hope this reaches you in time. If not, do what you like best. Robin Gerard. P.S. No cards. Okay. Yes, this did reach me in time, Robin, so this is from you and your granddaughter. That's what the message said, so I will be sure to add you both. These bags have like insulation. Like, can you see it? It's bad. Okay. Ooh, this is from Yarn Bee. Some of the insulation got on it. Yarn Bee, and this is Luxe Lollies Dancing Donuts. These are nice. I have not seen these. I believe this is a Hobby Lobby brand. Correct me if I'm wrong. I do have a Hobby Lobby not far from me, but I never go there. I don't know why. I should try to go there. I might actually try to film it. I don't know. I've never done that. I've never filmed out in public, like at a yarn store or Joann's or Michael's or anything like that. If you guys would be interested in seeing those types of videos, let me know. I can try it. I might feel a little silly holding a camera talking to myself, but that's okay. I'll do it for you guys if you guys want to see. But Robin sent in some Yarn Bee, very pretty colors. That's a really neat like cake. It's like a donut. That's what it's called, donut. So there's that, and then we have a crochet hook. So very nice crochet hook. It is a 5mm, so very common size. Very nice crochet hook from Yarnology. And yeah, so this is from Robin and her granddaughter Autumn, and they will both be added into the giveaway. Okay, let's keep going. I think I rambled way too long on that one. So next we have Stacy Moore, and she is in Alabama. Let's see what she sent. Okay, we have a note. That's always nice. I want to pay thank you for the awesome giveaway. Be blessed, Stacy. Okay. Thank you, Stacy. Very nice. And let's see. She sent in 2 things as well. This is like a hank of very bright green yarn. Very pretty. It's just a hank. It kind of came unraveled. We'll just re-ravel it. Actually, I've never re-raveled a hank before, so I don't really know how to do it, but I've seen people do it. Let's see if I can do it. They twist it, they knot it, and then they pull it up. Hey, not bad. It kind of worked. So we have this hank of green, like rope yarn, very nice, chunky. And then we have a Lion Brand Hometown USA in chunky green. Very nice green colors. Very, very nice. So we'll just go ahead and add those to the giveaway. And we have 2 from Amazon. The preparation on the envelope actually worked. We have notes and letters inside this package, so that's good. And it says, happy birthday and happy anniversary. Please accept my entry for the giveaway. It's yours if it doesn't get there by the deadline. Well, it got here by the deadline, and this is from Hugs from Angelo. Oh, from Adele Ramiro. Okay, from Adele Ramiro. Thank you, Night Island, Texas. Okay, so it got here in time, Adele, so you are going to be entered in the giveaway, and I'll put your name right there so I can write it down. And she sent in, I'm not going to open it, but these are some really pretty colors. I can kind of, I think, open the bag so we can see. This is Red Heart Super Saver Stripes, and these are some nice, bright, popping neon colors. I have not seen these like popping neon colors from Red Heart yet in person, so it's very nice that I get to see that. Very, very nice. Thank you, Adele. I'll be adding your name to the giveaway and adding this to this big box of yarn. I'm going to show you guys just how much yarn is in here. Let's keep going. This is another Amazon package. Preparation worked on that envelope too. Oh my goodness, it's like a lucky day. I haven't had to use my scissors. Okay, we have notes. Let's see. Hi, giveaway entry, thank you, from Sharon Harrington in Florida. So Sharon Harrington, I'm going to put your name right here so I can add it to the giveaway, the list. And she sent in some Red Heart Scrubby. And these really cute, like, purple, green, and blue colors. Very, very nice. Scrubby yarn. It's nice to make a little dishcloth every once in a while when you're kind of in between projects and kind of just burnt out on everything. Something small. Love scrubby yarn. Okay, now we have this one. This is from Linda. I believe it's Bias. Okay, she sent in, Linda Bias sent in, happy birthday from Linda Bias. And she sent in some Red Heart Super Saver in pretty pink. So very, very nice. Thank you, Linda. I'm going to go ahead and add that to the giveaway. And now I'm going to show you guys this big box of yarn that we have to give away to one lucky person who has entered. And oh It's pretty heavy, but it is completely packed full. This is completely packed full of yarn. So all this yarn is going to be going to one lucky person. I'm super excited for whoever that's going to be. We're going to find out tomorrow who the lucky winner is. Again, how I'm going to pick the winner is I'm going to write everyone's name down in a list, like a numbered list. And then I'm going to have a random number generator. I'm going to just have them pick a random number. And then I'm going to match that number up to the list. And whoever name has that number, that's who's winning all this yarn. So make sure, if you're not subscribed, that you subscribe now and click that bell icon so you'll be notified when that video goes live. And you'll be able to see if maybe you won. So keep that in mind. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment in the comments below because that helps me out so much. And what else? Check out my new shirt at the merch store if you'd like to. Again, I think it's super cute. Not everyone understands my sense of humor. That's okay. Some people may. And yeah, I've had really fun doing this. I'm sorry I didn't do more updates throughout the month. Busy month. Things happened. I can't get into it right now. But I think everything's starting to get back to normal and get better. So hopefully it does, and I can start making more routine videos. I know it's been a goal of mine for so long, but so much has always been happening to stop me. I can't let it stop me. If you would like to see me do videos, like I said, going out into like yarn stores and yarn shopping, I don't really do much yarn shopping unless I do it online because I look for deals and cheap stuff. I ain't gonna lie, I'm cheap. I'm not a person that likes to spend money, mostly because I don't have money to spend, and when I do, I spend it on other people. But if you'd like to see me go yarn shopping, let me know in the comments below. I can try to make a video like that. That's it for today, you guys. Remember, tomorrow I announce the winner who's going to win all this yarn. I'm super excited. And yeah, so make sure you're subscribed and click that bell icon. You'll get the notification when I upload. So until next time, you guys, I hope you all have a super wonderful, fabulous day. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, you guys. Bye.